Hey guys, hope everything is good on your side. This is your host, Shreyas. Today, we are going to talk about
the top 10 career options in commerce.
So, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Dheya's YouTube channel and follow Dheya Career Mentors on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed to watch the last episode, make sure to go and watch it by clicking right over here. Let's go.
Number 10. Product Manager. With the new advancements in technology, every business is continuously working on building products and services to reach an international audience. A product manager is an important part of the product building process, from its early conceptualization to design, as well as final product. From Google to Tesla, every company is always on a lookout for proficient product managers who are super creative and innovative. Number 9. Research Analyst. Research analysts explore information about markets, consumer behavior, sales, and demand, and further provide useful insights to the company regarding their consumer base, as well as buying and selling products and services, along with investing in the right places to boost revenue. Amongst the top highest paying jobs for commerce students, research analysts are generally needed across every industry, from business, finance, investment to marketing, sales, fashion management, among others. Number 8. Personal Financial Advisor. Personal financial advisors meet clients and provide prudent knowledge and suggest suitable decisions on investments like stocks and bonds, indicate tax laws and insurance. They undergo special training for this profession to provide clients with means of maximizing their financial objectives in investments, insurance coverages, pensions, retirement savings, and managing debts. Number 7. Business Accountant and Taxation. Professional business accountants work solely in the fields of taxation and finance. They must have sound knowledge about direct and indirect taxation, along with Excel and reporting skills. These experts work in the areas of accounts, MIS, taxation, compliance, and reporting. They also have the knowledge of high-end accounting softwares and applications like Tally, QuickBooks, SAP, and Advanced Excel. Number 6. Cost Accountant. Cost accountants are responsible for budgeting, performance evaluation, cost, and asset management with the company. Being a part of the executive team, these professionals work to reduce financial waste in a company, analyze costs of production and other expenses, and ways to increase profit. They prepare financial reports for tax authorities, stockholders, creditors, and regulatory agencies, among others. Number 5. Certified Public Accountant, that is CPA. A certified public accountant primarily handles the accounting, reporting, taxes, and auditing process for corporations, clients, and the government. They suggest valuable and far-sighted knowledge regarding the correct monetary decisions when there are high stakes. Number 4. Chartered Financial Analyst, that is CFA. Chartered Financial Analysts are expected to perform analysis of returns and risks, collect data, prepare financial models, etc. They maintain the accounts and look after the financial planning of any organization. Number 3. Human Resource Manager. A human resource manager offers strategic planning towards managing the employees of a firm in such a way that they work towards an increase in the profit of the company and meet the necessary demands of the firm. Human resource managers recruit, interview, and hire new staff members, look after employee benefit programs, employment incentives, etc. Number 2. Investment Banker. An investment banker is someone who works closely with financial institutions and increases the capital for a company. They give financial recommendations to these companies and organizations on how to reach a financial goal and make long-term and short-term financial plans. Number 1. Marketing Manager. A marketing manager is expected to manage the marketing sector of products in a company. They plan, estimate, organize, and promote businesses. Marketing managers use advertising and public relations in order to maximize sales and maximize the market presence of the firm that they are working for.
There you have it, guys. That's it from my side. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to share it as much as possible. Once again, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Dheya Career Mentors on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, of which the links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed the last episode, make sure to go and watch it again by clicking right over here. And its link is also given in the description box below. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Stay tuned for the upcoming Monday, wherein we will bring you another exciting video on another exciting topic. Have fun and keep learning.